The natural world is a tapestry of life, woven with intricate threads of interdependence. Each species plays a vital role, contributing to the delicate balance of ecosystems that sustain us all. Yet, a silent crisis is unfolding, a tragedy largely unseen and unheard. Every year, billions of birds, creatures of grace and song, perish in a collision with a most unexpected foe glass. These feathered creatures, navigating by instinct, often misinterpret the reflective surfaces of windows and glass facades. What appears to be a clear pathway, a reflection of the sky or surrounding trees, becomes a deadly trap. The impact, often fatal, claims the lives of an estimated 365 million to 1 billion birds annually in the U.S. This staggering number represents a significant portion of the bird population, a loss that reverberates throughout the delicate web of life. From bustling cities to serene countryside, glass structures pose a constant and pervasive threat. Migratory birds, undertaking arduous journeys across continents, face a particularly heightened risk. The very structures we build for shelter and progress have inadvertently become formidable barriers, claiming countless avian lives each year. The danger posed by glass lies in its deceptive nature. Birds, with their exceptional vision, perceive the world differently than humans. While we may see a transparent barrier, they see reflections of the sky, trees, or other natural elements. These reflections create an illusion of continuity, leading them to fly headfirst into the invisible threat. Large expanses of glass, particularly in modern skyscrapers and office buildings, pose a greater hazard. Glass walkways, railings, and noise barriers, often placed at bird flight paths, create invisible obstacles that can prove fatal. During dawn and dusk, when light levels are low, birds rely more heavily on their vision to navigate. Reflective surfaces become even more deceptive in low light, increasing the chances of collisions. The consequences of this silent epidemic extend far beyond the individual birds lost. Birds play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They act as pollinators, seed dispersers, and natural pest controllers, contributing to the health and diversity of plant and animal life. The loss of birds can have cascading effects on plant communities. Without birds to disperse their seeds, some plants may be confined to limited areas, reducing genetic diversity and making them more vulnerable to diseases or environmental changes. Insects, a vital part of the food chain, are also affected by the decline in bird populations. Birds consume vast quantities of insects, helping to keep their populations in check. This disruption ripples through the food web, impacting other animals that rely on insects for sustenance. The responsibility to address this invisible killer falls upon all of us. Fortunately, there are practical and effective solutions that can be implemented to mitigate the threat of bird collisions. By raising awareness and taking simple yet impactful actions, we can create a safer environment for birds. One of the most effective ways to prevent bird strikes is to make windows more visible to birds. This can be achieved by incorporating patterns or designs that break up the reflective surfaces. Simple solutions such as applying ultraviolet UV patterns, which are visible to birds but not humans, can significantly reduce collisions. Reducing or altering artificial lighting, particularly during peak migration periods, can also minimize disorientation and reduce the risk of collisions. The architectural design of buildings plays a crucial role in bird safety. By incorporating bird-friendly design principles from the outset, architects and developers can create structures that minimize the risk of bird collisions. Simple modifications to building facades, such as using fritted glass, screens, or grills, can significantly reduce bird strikes without compromising aesthetics. Public awareness and education are paramount in combating this environmental challenge. By educating ourselves and others about the issue of bird collisions, we can advocate for bird-friendly practices in our communities. Encouraging the adoption of bird-safe building codes and guidelines can create a safer environment for birds in urban and suburban areas. Supporting organizations dedicated to bird conservation and research is another impactful way to contribute to the solution. The plight of birds colliding with glass is a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Our actions, however unintentional, can have profound consequences for the natural world. By embracing bird-friendly practices, from individual actions to community-wide initiatives, we can make a tangible difference in the lives of these feathered creatures. Let us strive to create a world where the sound of birdsong fills the air, a testament to our commitment to protecting the biodiversity that enriches our planet.